Alright, so let's have a look at the Yorkville YS110. It's the top ones there. They're passive and they're being powered by this powered Yorkville mixer. So it has 1/4-inch outs going to the back of these YS110s. See the handle there, cool corners, and there's a 1/4-inch input there. So they're small, they're not very loud, but they do sound pretty good. They're older now, probably close to 20 years old. So technology's come a long way since these. But that said, for the price point right now, which on Kijiji you can get a pair anywhere from $100 to $300, and hook them up to an amp or a powered mixer, and they have a 10-inch woofer. They have pretty decent frequency representation. They're actually not bad at all. And I'm not surprised because Yorkville makes a lot of quality stuff. So these aren't my permanent speakers, but I have had a chance to test them. And if I were looking for a smaller pair of speakers, even for a man cave or something, then I would get these. Now, the challenge with mid-highs or speaker cabinets is that a lot of people who really aren't DJs or into music or as serious about, you know, their sound quality and how much bass there is, a lot of people think it's okay to just have the mid-highs, and for a lot of people it is. But it really only comes to its full potential, any speaker cabinet, when it's paired with some kind of a subwoofer. And this one's a Yorkville 200 watt 18-inch. So it's not very powerful either, and it actually pairs very nicely with this pair of YS110s. So there's my opinion on the YS110. I would couple it with a sub every time, except maybe for some performance reasons or even just your preference. You can run a pair of these without a sub, and they're pretty cool speakers. So thanks for watching. I hope that's helping anybody who's thinking about buying a pair like this or similar. And I'll see you on the next video.